Making money online quickly is a common desire for many, but it's essential to approach opportunities with caution and ensure they are legitimate and sustainable. Here are 10 ways to earn money online, but as always, remember that the term fast is relative, and some methods may require more effort, time, or initial investment than others. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a platform for various skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. If you have a particular skill, you can start bidding for jobs or offer your services. Online surveys and reviews. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay users to take surveys. While each survey might not pay much, the amounts can add up. Sell items on marketplaces. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy allow users to sell products. If you have items lying around that you no longer need, consider listing them. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or a strong social media presence, you can earn commissions by promoting products for companies. Websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank offer affiliate programs. Online tutoring. Websites like CheggTutors, Tutor.com, or VIPKid connect tutors with students on various subjects. If you're knowledgeable in certain areas, this can be a lucrative option. Content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch allow users to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and viewer donations. However, building a substantial audience is key to significant earnings. Drop shipping. This involves selling products without holding inventory. When someone buys a product from your online store, you purchase it from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. Shopify and Oberlo are popular platforms for this model. Participate in gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit allow you to earn money by providing services like driving, delivery, or doing odd jobs. Rent out your space. If you have extra space in your home, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. It's a way to make money relatively quickly, especially if you're in a popular tourist area. Stock and Forex trading. Online platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Forex brokers allow users to trade stocks, commodities, or currencies. However, this involves substantial risk, and it's possible to lose more than your initial investment.